So gravitational field intensity, gravitational field intensity, gravitational force per unit mass is called, what is it? Gravitational force, gravitational force per unit mass, that is F by m. It is called, what is it? Gravitational field intensity. Therefore F is nothing but G capital M small m by R square by m. Get cancel, Gm by R square. Right. Next, here units Newton for meter. Newton for kg. This is unit. Next, gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy nothing but work done to keep the two particles at their respective position in the gravitational field. Therefore potential energy U is equal to G m1 m2 divided by R. Okay, so this is gravitational potential energy. Energy units joules. Right. Next, here gravitational potential gravitational potential energy per unit mass, that is called, what is it? Gravitational potential energy by mass. Therefore G capital M small m by R divided by m, that is G capital M by R. Here potential energy is attracted energy, so that's why we can take minus. Next, escape velocity, orbital velocity. Escape velocity is indicated with letter V. Here orbital velocity is indicated with letter V0. Velocity required for a satellite to escape from gravitational field. This is gravitational field. So velocity required to escape from this field. This is Earth orbit. Right. So P is equal to root over 2gr. Relation P is equal 11.2 kilometer per second. B is equal to root over 2 into Gm by R square into R. Another form, B is equal to root over 2Gm by R. This is one more relation. Orbital velocity nothing but velocity required for a satellite to revolve around the Earth in a fixed orbit. So that is called, what is that? Orbital velocity root over gr. Then V0 is equal to root over gm by r square into r. R get cancel. V0 is equal to root over gm by r. Orbital speed value is 12.11 or 7.9 here, kilometer per second. Potential energy, so minus of G capital M small m by R This is potential energy. ఏంటిది తగిలిందా? Kinetic energy is equal to half into m into v square. V is equal to what is that? Whenever so kinetic energy of the satellite. So V is equal to root over what is that? 2 into g m by r. So this value is directly substituting here. Therefore half into m into root over 2 g m by r whole square. Square root cancel, 2 get cancel. K is equal to G capital M small m by r. Next, total energy. Total energy is equal to what is that? Sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay. So therefore, whenever this video potential energy of satellite is minus half g mm by r. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Here, whenever particle is revolve around this, what is that? Earth in a particular orbit, the orbital velocity formula is gm by r. Then here we can take gm by r. Square root get cancel. Then we will get what is that? gmm by 2r. gmm by 2r. Then potential energy is equal to minus of g mm by r plus g capital M small m by 2r. Therefore g capital M small m by r, take common, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore minus of g capital M small m by 2r. Right. Ratio sum of potential energy is kinetic energy and total energy. So potential energy is minus of g capital M small m by r. Kinetic energy g capital M small m by 2r. Total minus of g capital M small m by 2r. Get cancel. So therefore minus of 2 is 1 is minus 1.